Hey everyone, I'm Nate Lambert from Red River, and today we're going to take a look at Microsoft OneNote and how you can use it for better task management and organization. All right, so hopping into OneNote, we're just going to take a look really quickly at how you can add a task list or just keep track of some of your active items. This is something that I use pretty frequently inside of OneNote, which should be installed on all of your Windows 10 workstations. So it's something that should come free with Microsoft Office. So you should have access to it. But the way I use it in my day-to-day workflow is I basically record everything into the OneNote platform that I need to get accomplished. I can break it out into different lists. I can track things based on who I have to accomplish something for, right? Maybe my boss needs something, someone on my team has requested something, and I use it pretty much every day for those purposes. But there's a couple cool things that you can do inside of OneNote to kind of organize some of that, so you don't just have like a bulleted list of things that's kind of difficult to track. So let's just start here, kind of showing a really basic one. So let's say I've got a task list for today's date. And then I want to come through and I want to come up with a list of all the things I need to get done today, right? So the first one might be to respond to my email. I need to answer my voicemails since I was on PTO for the holiday. I need to update the YouTube video information, right? So those are the three things that I'm going to get done today. Or that I have on my task list. So what I can do in OneNote is I can come up here to the home page and I can actually add a to-do tag, or I can right click right on it and I can actually add this little checkbox identifier. And by doing that, it now just built in kind of adds these little checkboxes for me, and I can come through and mark them off when I get them done, right? So this is really helpful if you end up having like long-term goals. You need something by the end of the month, or you need something by the end of the week. It's a way to kind of organize those things into different categories. And we're going to talk in another video about how you can use templates to kind of standardize some of that. But for now, then I have a pretty basic task list of everything I need to get done, and I can kind of check them off and monitor my progress. One additional thing that you can do is also add additional kind of identifiers to these tasks, because not every task might be as important as another. So if I highlight just one of them and I right click on them, then I can actually go up here and insert an additional tag. So when you click this drop down, you can actually see there's a bunch of prefab ones that get added to them. And these are pretty nice, right? Because I can add a critical tag to one that I know is really important. I can add a discussion or something that I know I need to actually talk to an individual, or if it's a password or what the information may be. So I use these a lot of times for just the critical or for project assignment. So if I add a critical tag, then I know that in this task list for today, responding to my email is my #1 priority. And answering my voicemails and updating my YouTube information would be the second and third thing on my list. So it's a really basic tool set that you can use inside of OneNote to just make sure that you're kind of organizing what you need to get done a little more efficiently. And in our next video, we'll kind of talk a little bit more about how you can add some complexity and create some templates inside of OneNote as well. All right, and that's all the time we have today on the Red River YouTube channel. Hope you had a chance to learn something. Be sure to like, rate, review, subscribe to our channel and on this video, and we hope to see you back next time.